This video is to show how to adjust the reveals using the wheels on a multi-slide door. And to look at the problem, again, the reveal is nice and tight at the top with the door panel next to the frame, and it loosens up at the bottom. That's a good indicator. By putting the door panel close to the frame and looking at the frame, it'll tell you what your reveal is. So probably what we want to do is raise the wheels on the bottom left of this door panel to correct that reveal. You can see by looking past the panels, even here, you can see that it's uneven. It's tighter at the top and looser at the bottom. So we're going to start with pulling the plug at the edge of the door panel, which will open up the adjustment screw. And because we're going to raise the door, we're going to put a Phillips screwdriver into the hole and turn it to the right to bring the wheels up. Now, before we replace the cap, we're going to check the reveal and make sure it's good by, again, putting the door panel next to the frame and using that as your gauge. And if we look, that reveal is about 1/8 of an inch top to bottom. Actually, it's a little loose at the top, so now we're going to bring the door panel down about 1/2 turn on the screw, and that should solve the problem. Okay, we have 1/8 of an inch top to bottom. Looks great. We're going to replace the cap, test the lock, and the job is done.